Hello everyone, in our tutorial today, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook page. So I will show you two methods through Instagram and through Facebook. So first, I'm going to show you through Instagram. So what you want to do here is simply open or launch your Instagram. And then here you have to go to your profile at the top. There's three lines at the top right corner. Now you have to click settings and privacy and then scroll down account types and tools. So you have to tap this one. And then after that, you have to switch your account to business first in order for you to connect your Instagram to your Facebook. So here you have to tap this switch to professional account. And then after that, you have to click this continue and then tap continue here, continue, continue. And then what describes you can choose from any of this here, tap OK. And then you just have to wait as it is processing. Now here, what you want to do is to simply click this business, okay, and then tap next. Now here in Instagram, it's so easy to connect your Facebook. You just have to click next. And then here, you can now connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. Okay, so that's how easy it is. Now this time, we're going to connect your Facebook to your Instagram. So you can now exit your Instagram application and open your Facebook application here. Now for your Facebook, you have to log in and switch to your Facebook page account. To do that, all you have to do is to open your Facebook or launch your Facebook. Make sure that you are using the latest version of this application. And then tap this three lines and switch to your Facebook page. Okay. And then here, once you're on your Facebook page, what you want to do next is to scroll down and then look for settings and privacy. Now tap settings here and then under page settings you see this link accounts and all you have to do is to connect your Instagram. So since my Instagram is already connected, I can disconnect this account and connect another one. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.